to analyze gold for your next gold trade with the non-farm payroll economic effect. So you can see now 5th April, today gold is now 2023. So last video, my weekly analysis, I already mentioned gold passed 2000 level, and yesterday it has past 2000 levels also. So now you can see the left side resistance, it was supported in right side. I already analyzed this. This was my last weekly analysis YouTube video. You didn't see that, go to there with that video with your gold trade profit. So let's see with the non-farm payroll is affected on the 7th April Friday non-farm employment change. So this is the very volatile news regarding US dollar, and this news always to affect your gold trade. So you will update this news if you are gold trading. So I am forecasting, so my analysis is with the non-farm payroll is the previous figure is a 311k. So that's the previous figure. Is a Fed American Central Bank is forecast 226k for this month forecast non-farm employment change. So I am thinking the actual figure about than 311k. Actual figure will be about than 311k. That is the positive effect for US dollar. So positive for US dollar, the gold will be dropped to the below. That's my first thinking. The next one is actual figure below than 236k. Below than 236k, that is also negative effect for US dollar, and gold uptrend is continuing. Gold will demand again. So currently is always gold demand, and gold demand will continue with the non-farm payroll effect below 200k, 236 below k. That will be actual figure. So that's the non-farm payroll employment change that will be held 7th April next Friday. So you will touch with this high volatility news regarding US dollar if you are gold trader. So that's the I am thinking with the non-farm payroll with the gold trading. So I am going to your technical picture. So I am moved to the 4-hour chart. You can see this is the triangle. I am seeing this triangle. I already mentioned my last week gold analysis. So this triangle was liquidity. This area, you can see this area, the liquidity was grabbed, and retail traders, more retail traders are thinking this is the breakout to the below, and this is the fake breakout, and this is also liquidity collected and going to the upside. So I am thinking with the gold will reach my target at 2070 is my target. With the you will touch with update with non-farm employment change. So non-farm employment change, dollar will be negative affected, gold will be buy again, gold will be demand again like this, gold demand again like this. So my target is 2070 is my target. It's a positive figure for non-farm payroll about 300k, like the figure was about 311k, like that unaffected positive figure like 400k, like that gold will be dropped to the below like this, gold will be dropped like this to below. So that's the your gold trade with the non-farm payroll employment change. So my Telegram link is below. Activate gold signals with non-farm employment change. So get the money management well. So take a trade for the take a trade with the non-farm employment change. Thank you very much.